Hi, and welcome to Carnival Celebration. This will be a quick 360-degree tour on Deck 8. We start at Chibang, a Mexican and Chinese restaurant, and we go all the way back to the back of the ship. This is a 360-degree video, so if you're using a YouTube app or a headset, you will be able to look in any direction. Have fun! This is Deck 8, and we're starting at Chibang Restaurant. Here you can see on the left, center stage, the main performance area of the ship. They have some fantastic shows there. On your right, you'll see bonsai sushi, for those of you that love sushi. And of course, you will always find something to buy in the fun shops, as you see on the right. And coming up is Pixel Galleries. They use quite a bit of space for this area. But this is for all those pictures that are taken on the cruise ship that they want you to buy. And of course, we all end up buying one or two. Now we are entering 820 Biscayne for food and drinks with a Miami feel to it. Miami Slice on your right for those times when you need a slice of Miami. Still with the Miami feel, we see Deco Deli on your right. Carnival Adventures on your left is where you can schedule those adventures for the destinations of this cruise ship. In case you need any help while you're on the cruise, this is the guest services. At the back of the ship is Summer Landing with a store and a nice restaurant. And to finish this video off, let's go aft for a look as we arrive at San Juan, Puerto Rico. I hope you enjoyed the video. Later I'll post some about my visit at San Juan, Puerto Rico.